Hey guys, welcome. Another episode of Flip and Customize. Nope, we're not in the shop today. We're actually on site on a construction project to do something a little different. Metal fabrication still in the shop. However, what we're doing is we're making a metal door frame for this opening right here, this rough opening. What's going to happen is we're going to have an old school barn door that's going to roll over the front of this, but we want to case out this door and kind of match that theme with the metal black metal hardware. So what we'll do is we picked up some 3/16 angle iron and flat bar, and we're going to go ahead and fabricate that all up to fit into this door frame and kind of match that old school look. So here we go. I got 3/16 by 2.5 inch angle iron and then 3/16 by 3 inch flat bar. And what they're going to do is the angle iron and the flat bar are going to be mated together and stitch weld to cover the entire inside of the door jamb. We're going to 45 the top of the angle iron for the header piece, and then we're going to put some holes along it to mount with lag bolts along and into that door frame. Once this thing's all welded in, it's going to be a pretty heavy door frame. So we got all our measurements. We're going to go ahead and cut our 45s in the angle iron up, and then we're going to go ahead and start the welding process. The angle iron cut out for the door frame, and we got our bolt holes that's going to mount it into the door frame. Again, this isn't a structural piece, it's aesthetic, although it will be quite rugged. Everything's marked out. We're going to go ahead and divot where we want the holes, drill them with a pilot hole, and then hit them with the 3/8 bit, because these are the lag screws that's going to go in and hold it in there. So we'll go ahead and get some holes drilled. Alright guys, now that we got all the holes drilled, the pieces cut, aside from the long strapping, we got to cut those still, but pretty minor. We're going to set this thing up on the cement floor and start some tack welding. I picked up a new used old commercial welder over there. It's a big old Lincoln to replace my smaller welder. So we're going to give that a test run as well today. I'm pretty excited to use it. I have to change the wire spool out on it, but we'll be good to go and get some welding done. So let's go. There it is. Looks like something that belongs in a bank vault, but I just talked to the customer and we're just gonna wire wheel the welds, and then we're gonna matte clear coat this whole thing in the raw steel. And then the bolts themselves are getting I'll blast them out, sandblast them, and then we'll get a matte black, either powder coat or paint. We'll see. And then we go ahead and do the install. Fabrication part is done. Here we go, all painted up. Just gonna let that clear coat set up. It was off the install. this, guys. It is all installed. Fit like a glove. Well, kind of. Actually, it fit really well. Very happy with the fit and finish. Gives it that nice industrial look we're looking for. And that baby's rugged. Again, guys, another job wrapped up. Thanks for tuning in for Flippin' Customized. I hope you liked this. It was a little bit different. It was some metal fab that was going into an actual house remodel. So that's pretty cool. We were able to incorporate that and do these kind of builds as well. So this was a lot of fun. We got it done. We got it installed. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell for more content. Thanks again.